What's up guys, welcome back to another remote work from home job video. In today's video, I'm going to be covering a brand new position at the SBA, the Small Business Administration. They're currently urgently hiring. This job was posted today, depending on when you're watching this video, either today or about a day ago, and you have just about 15 or 14 days to apply, and they're urgently accepting applicants because they're looking for a lot of people to fill these positions. And this is going to be in response to disaster recovery for the hurricane that just came in Florida and also wildfires out west. However, this job is remote because in the listing, they did say that your primary residence will be considered as your temporary duty station or your official duty station. So you'll be able to work from home remotely, and the salary range here goes all the way up to $94,000 per year, depending on your experience and education. Of course, if you have only a high school diploma and some experience, then you may start off at a lower pay rate. But if you do have a lot more education and a lot more experience, then you could start off at a higher rate at the Small Business Administration. Now, with that said, before I dive into that job lead, just want to remind you guys of this resource just in case you're struggling with landing interviews and applying to other jobs. This is the Pro Resume Templates right here, professionally done resume templates that have been optimized for the ATS system. This way, your resume or your job application doesn't get stuck or filtered out or discarded by the ATS system, and now it actually stands a chance at making it to a real human for review. So here you get 3 resume templates with step-by-step instructions and how to customize them depending on the type of job that you're applying to. Also matching cover letter templates with instructions as well, matching reference pages, matching thank you letters. Everything is fully customizable. You can do so with Google Docs, which allows you to customize these on a MacBook or PC or just about any device that you have. You can use to edit these. And if you don't particularly like the templates, I mean, there are 3, so choose the one you like the most, or you could use all 3, or you could use the included instructions to create your own custom resume. So that's an option as well. So this resource is linked down below if you do need it. Also, if you guys haven't already done so, be sure to go over to my second channel because I just covered some other high paying job positions there. Jobs that have to do with writing, like content writing, technical writing, and editorial jobs that were paying upwards of $3,000 per week. So be sure to go over to the second channel. Actually, it's this channel right here, the work from home channel. This is where I'm currently posting the highest paying remote work from home jobs I could find online. So be sure to go ahead and subscribe. Also, be sure to tap the notification bell and turn on all notifications for this channel. That way you never miss out on another potentially high paying job lead that you may be really interested in. So let's move into the job lead for today at the SBA. This is going to be a customer service representative, and they're currently looking or urgently hiring, as it says here, to support disaster recovery for Hurricane Helene and wildfires out west. Your work will aid recovery and economic stability in the affected areas, and this job is open to the public. Now, duties here will include assisting with completing home and business loan applications electronically and communicating disaster loan program information to disaster survivors, explaining loan closing documents to borrowers and assisting in closing approved disaster loans, using computer skills to input disaster survivor information to complete loan applications, utilize email, word processing, spreadsheets, and the internet, and to navigate within a database to input and retrieve information. And this is a temporary position, so this isn't going to be a full-time job, but there is accepted service with an intermittent work schedule. Also, the salary here would be a range. So this is going to be the range. It's anywhere from $59,000 to $94,000 per year. This is the pay scale, and depending on where you fall on that scale, that's how much you would be earning. Also here it says your primary residence is considered your official duty station. So this is a remote position. You can work from home. If selected, employees work on an intermittent on-call work schedule. This means that you are in pay and duty status only when you are activated and responding to workload needs. So it's not a full-time position, something that's kind of flexible and you're kind of on call, and whenever they call on you, then you would be paid for the amount of work that you do during that time. Now, depending on the workload and or level of disaster activity, your work schedule may be changed to full time. So if the workload decreases, your schedule may be changed back to intermittent type. So keep that in mind as well. Also, you may have to do some overtime here as well, just to be able to respond quickly and efficiently to disaster survivors. And it says here substantial compensation or substantial compensated overtime may be required during heightened disaster activities. So you do get paid overtime here, and as they say, substantial compensation would be provided for you. And the requirements for this job: U.S. citizenship is required, must be able to obtain and maintain a government travel credit card. Also, driver's license may be required. Now, this is basically what they have on this job all the time. So for a customer service representative here, this is kind of like copy and paste. But for this specific position, your home will be your primary office. So you'll be working from home. So a lot of this probably won't apply to you. So this is a really good position for anyone looking for a remote work from home job right now to apply to. Again, they're urgently hiring, so you should definitely go ahead and apply as soon as possible, because you have just about a week and a half to apply before this job is closed. Again, it's open to the public, so just about anyone can apply. And again, as it says here, they're urgently hiring to support disaster recovery for the hurricane in Florida and wildfires out west. So be sure to go ahead and apply. I'll leave the link down below directly to this job position. Now, just in case you guys want to take a look at some other jobs that I previously covered on my second channel, the Work From Home channel, I covered this position, a technical writer at Filevine. Also this other position, a technical writer at Stripe. There's also another position here, a copy editor at Clinical Mind. These jobs were paying, at least at the very minimum, around $70,000 per year, but they were paying closer to six figures, around $100,000. For this one, the position at Stripe, it was paying upwards of $3,700 per week. These jobs are still open and available. They were posted just about a day ago, so you can still apply. Links will be in the previous video or on the video on my other channel, the Work From Home channel. So be sure to go over to that channel and check that out. But with that said, this was the job lead for today. Again, urgently hiring at the SBA. Link is down below. So that covered all the best in your job hunt. I hope you guys find that dream remote work from home job that you're looking for, that pays you a ton, gives you all the benefits and all the flexibility that you're looking for. But as always, all the best, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.